Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with Unice hair again for the second time. Trying them out for the second time. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video. So this is the box that I got. This is how it looks, and I see the wig as I open the box. And on the front it says Brazilian hair. But before we jump into the wig, let's see what came in the box. So I got this little package here, this little drawstring bag, and I got a wig cap, a nail wrap. What the hell? The original nail polish strips. Wow, this is cool. Them here for police. I'm intrigued. I love when they send these little stuff. Honestly, so there's even like a nail file in the back here. Nice. Oh my gosh, this looks like, so I got a nail file in it. And you guys know I've been doing my own nails since like March of this year. I had to open it, guys. I really have to see, man. Oh. So these are like nail strips, they say. So these are cute for like nail designs. I could use this like when I'm doing acrylic. I could take it off and put it on my nail and then use clear acrylic over it. Oh my gosh, that would be so cute. I'm so grateful for this. I love this. I can't wait to try that out. So I got that. And then I got a scarf, like head wrap thing saying Unice. And then lastly, I got a pair of lashes and it says Unice. So nice little goodies, always appreciative of those. And that's all that came in the box today. So let's take a look at the wig. Some nice body wave here. This is actually a closure wig, so let me point that out to you guys. Looks really good, and right off the rip I can say this looks really flat out of the box. That it's going to lay really flat on the head, so I love that. And the construction is basically, as you can see, the closure, it does look like a 13x4. It has 3 combs inside, 2 at the front, 1 in the back, and it has adjustable straps so you can make it tighter or looser on your head. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into applying this, guys. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned, but this is actually a 5x5 lace closure wig, and it is HD lace. I don't know if you notice how the lace look. At first I thought it was switch, but it's actually HD lace, which I always love a good HD lace wig. Oh my gosh, look at those waves. Love that. Guys, I hardly ever wear like lace closure wigs. I just love to, because I love to completely like be able to pull back my hair. But when you get a good one that's like flat and stuff, that's just like bomb. So I'm actually going to use a little adhesive on the front part here.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down. start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
Guys, see, I did like 2 little swoops there. Now I'm going to use my hot comb and my wax stick to flatten down the top some more.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I'm gonna put a little bit of my Naked at Home Glow finishing gloss just at the top. Guys, this hair is so soft, so easy to work with. Like, I really love it. I don't even remember that it's a closure wig that I am wearing. Like, isn't that just bomb? That is pretty. Look how fluffy it is. I absolutely love the density. I love the movement, the luster, everything. It's so soft, so silky. Shout out to Eunice Hair for this gorgeous closure wig. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put all the specifications of this wig down below in my description box. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig where you can go ahead and shop it if you're interested. Again, as I mentioned before, this is 24 inches long and it's really fluffy and nice. Like, it's gorgeous. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. Hope you liked this wig. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV. Stay tuned for all the other videos I'm coming up with. You don't want to miss that. Your girl is working, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to be open to yourself.
What does perfect even mean?